Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hey guys, and welcome back to the Tutorial Millennial channel. In today's video, I will be showing you how to edit a post that you've already posted on Instagram. So first, let's just get on with the video. So I'm just gonna click on the Instagram application, and this is my profile. For instance, I'm gonna wanna edit this caption. So I'm just gonna click on those three dots on the right corner, right over here. And I'm going to press edit. There you go. And for instance, I wanna change the caption and add, let's see, the fruits. A comma and etc. And after that, I'm gonna press, if you can just see the blue checklist on the right corner of your screen, just gonna press that and just wait for it to load, and there you have it. Your caption is changed. And that is it for today's video tutorial. I hope you enjoy this video. Don't forget to like, comment, share this video, and also subscribe to this channel. And that is it for today. Thank you for watching. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.